How to use emotes in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily use emotes in Roblox. So first of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, go to the avatar section from the left-hand side of the screen that you will find between friends and sandbox option. Tap on your avatar. Now, head over to animations. And from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Emote. You will see the section of Emote, which is the initial option in this field. There you can see several emote that is available in my account, such as salute, applaud, shrug, point to, stadium, and hello. You can also go ahead and buy other cool emotes on Roblox, such as baby queen face frame, shy, hip motion, and all. You can add emotes to your hotbar like I've done with hello, stadium, point to, and shrug. Let's load up a map to show you how they work. Once you're in the game, click on the text input box in the top and then type /emote followed by the name of the emote. You can see that my character is waving. You can also use the shortcut /e instead of emotes. So typing e shrug will make your avatar shrug. So that's all there is to it. That's how you can use emotes in Roblox. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to support my channel. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.